Hey, we got some unboxing to do. Wine Spies. Got a case. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Cassara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And as I'm filming this, realizing this is not a good spot for the box, but we have an unboxing. I got a Wine Spies shipment the other day. Oh boy. And what I wanted to do is go through the contents of the shipment, talk through what I bought, what Wine Spies is, and also kind of categorize these things into things that were bought to drink soon versus things that were bought to maybe keep in the cellar for a bit. So let's get into it. So this case, right? So again, Wine Spies, really good website, really good deals on wines that they're able to obtain. There's a link down below. You can sign up. You get some free credits. I get some free credits if you sign up. What it does is it allows you to build a case over time. They call them wine lockers. And then once you fill up a locker, right, 12 bottles, it ships for free. So you do pay California sales tax on each bottle of wine. So that sort of seems like it's, you know, it almost acts like a bit of a shipping fee, if you will. But, you know, this I've been building kind of over the last 9 months or so. And I finally decided, you know what, I want to ship that out. I want to get that wine together. So let us see what we have. I wasn't expecting that to come out. All right, we have two 2019 Bordeaux wines from Chateau Pontet Plaisance, Saint-Emilion Grand Cru. I think both of these are for the cellar. So we'll put the cellar on this side, drinking soon on the left. Next is a, we'll call it a Super Tuscan. It's just a Toscana wine from Aros. This is a 2019, 50% Sangiovese, 50% Cabernet Sauvignon. I think the intent here was that these would be drinkable now, but again, I could probably throw them in the cellar for a little while. They would age gracefully. I have a Chardonnay from Godspeed Vineyards, 2013 Chardonnay. This is one of those things where wineries tend to negotiate, or Wine Spies tends to negotiate with some wineries to maybe take off some of their older bottles too. If they're looking to clear out a cellar, they provide an easier way for them to sell those wines. So this is a Chardonnay from the Mount Veeder district in Napa Valley. Usually, I mean, again, one of my more favorite areas in California for Chardonnay, you know, whether it's, you know, Sonoma is still my favorite, but Mount Veeder within Napa. I think this wine hopefully will be, you know, not too oaky and be a little more subtle with the oak than some of your normal Napa Chardonnays. These are for drinking soon. They're already 10 years old, so not much point in wasting more time. This is a 2015 Markham Napa Valley Petit Verdot. I thought this was interesting. Petit Verdot is being planted in more areas now. It's becoming, because of global warming, I think it's becoming a little more prevalent in certain areas and also in Bordeaux blends. This is again, 2015 wine, single variety, Petit Verdot. I thought that was interesting. That'll be for near-term drinking. Here's a 2014 Santenay, Terre d'Enfance from Vincent Girardin. I've had their Pinot Noirs before, really enjoyed them. This obviously is a white Burgundy, so it's 100% Chardonnay from 2014. Again, all these, you know what I'll do is I'll put actually the prices I paid underneath so you can see. But again, really good value. 2014 Chardonnay, that gets on, we'll put that on the drink now pile. 2001 Volque Rioja. So again, I don't know how these guys come up with this stuff, how they source it, or why a winery all of a sudden says, okay, you know what, I got to get rid of the 2001s. Again, I'm sure there are many reasons, but it's just really, really cool to have, I got a 2019 Bordeaux here, and we've got wines from 2001 to, 2013 and even 2019 over on this side. I realize this side of being, drinking now is getting big, but we'll see. Well, I might have to call an audible there. Here's a sparkler from Heimberger, Blanc de Noir, which is a Cremant d'Alsace. So this is a sparkling wine made from red grapes, so Blanc de Noir. Does it tell us which ones? Not on the label, but it is ideal for a party and a reception. Pretty cool. I'm gonna put this guy right in the middle because I feel like a couple of these could be for longer term cellaring. Here is a Rizzi 2019 Barbaresco. Shout out to my friend from college, Darren Rizzi, his mom Phyllis. One of Darren, he's now he's assistant head coach of the New Orleans Saints. This is so I actually got 2 bottles of this, but the first bottle went into this locker. The other one is still at Wine Spies. They'll eventually get to me a while. So this I'll probably open this as a Barbaresco episode, give it a taste, and then when that other one comes in, I'll have a better idea of what my plan should be. And then last bottle here is from the Vault. So what you can do, with really any of the orders, I think what they do is you $20 for the mystery bottle, and you get a bottle from their vault, and they could be anything. It's nothing that's lower than $20 per se, so that's sort of the minimum value. But you could also get a really cool random selection that maybe is $100. I don't know what this is, so let's find this out. We're unboxing and now we're unveiling. This thing I'm making a mess here. Okay. What do we got? Pretty label. We have a Valdebebas 2017 Rioja. So this is a Tempranillo based wine. 2017. I mean, we love Rioja in this house. We'll see how the mystery bottle turns out. I mean, this is definitely one that, well, I don't want to say definitely one. Probably just one that we'll drink soon. There it is. That's the case. Very excited to dive into some of these soon, and you'll be witness to a bunch of it. Talk to you soon. Cheers.